Hello crafters, today I'm going to be doing a guest design for Kscraft, and the die I'm going to be using is this really super cute salon page. Okay, so I'm going to turn this into a planner page, so I thought it would be really fun to kind of create something Christmassy. So I guess we're going to see how this turns out, but I love how you have the little hair coloring mixing bowl, you have your little bobby pins and the curlers and the scissors, the hair dryer, hair clips, and also you have your this is your little mixer to mix up your stuff and then start brush. It's like a brush. Anyway, I don't know why I'm calling it that. Like the painting brush to paint it in your hair. Anyway, I just thought this was really super cute. Nicole Silhouette came up with this design. She also is Nicole's Paper Craft on Etsy. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be doing a process video, so just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, guys, I love how this turned out. I cannot wait to add this into my planner. I think I'm just going to attach it to one of these basic pages here. Not this particular one because it's actually my budget page. But anyway, guys, don't forget to check out Kscraft store on AliExpress. I believe this die is in there. I'll have all the links down below. And I will see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, and by the way, Merry Christmas, guys.